Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County, Shelby County, Hancock County, eastern Morgan County, Johnson County, northern Brown County, northern Bartholomew County, east central Hendricks County, Marion County, southeastern Boone County, southern Hamilton County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Lebanon to Spencer, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Zionsville and Eagle Creek Reservoir around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Windale, Spring Hill, and Helmsburg around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Carmel, Nashville, Meridian Hills, Rocky Ripple, Williams Creek, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, Castleton, Broad Ripple, Indiana State Fairgrounds, Indianapolis, Fishers, Lawrence, McCordsville, Warren Park, Geist Reservoir, Narbonne, Cumberland, Fortville, Spring Lake, Greenfield, and Elizabethtown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile marker 65 and 127. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 210. Interstate 70 between mile markers 68 and 111. Interstate 74 between mile markers 70 and 117. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are